All right, boys, before we get to the really cool mail call today, I got another little haul in from Temu. I know I said I was going to stay off of it, but couldn't help myself, and see if we got any misses today. But I think this is going to be a pretty cool one. I couldn't even remember that I ordered some stuff, so it showed up, and maybe, I don't know. Anyhow, guys, I opened the bag, but I haven't opened the stuff, so let's see what we got in here. Got us some more servos, guys, and it looks like they're the little ones again. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. It's just these look like they might be a little better quality. I got plenty of micro servos now, so I won't run out of these dudes. 3-wire. This one, now these are metal geared servos, so definitely better than the other ones. And I got 2, 3, 4, 5, I got 6 of them. So not a bad deal, I guess. Don't remember what I paid for them, but I don't think I paid much for really any of this stuff, guys. So yeah, extra servos. I definitely won't run out of these mini ones. So like I said, I still got the other ones. If you guys need one, just holler at me. So this is from Goop RC. I ordered these for the build that or the comparison I'm doing on the little 12 scale cars. And it's a set of paddles. They feel pretty nice. 12mm hexes, comes with the wheel nuts and another one of the little T-wrenches that we all need extras of. Heck yeah. So cool looking little rims, guys. Paddles. These things are gonna rip on the sand and down at the beach here we got. So stay tuned for that. We'll get those on the BX12 and the X12S. I think I got 2 sets in here. Yep. So I guess I got it from 2 different people. I don't know. Let's see if it's the same thing. These are different. So maybe they'll end up a tire comparison too on top of it. So really no name on these. Much softer compound, guys. They are vented. About the same diameter, a little bit wider. Definitely we'll check those out. I'll see if I can figure out who the manufacturer is, and then we'll maybe have a tire comparison too on these. But that's a set for each one of the cars, so that'll be cool. Oh, I ordered this one. This is a wheelie bar set, carbon fiber wheelie bar set for my drag slash. So upcoming build, I was talking to Wayne about this. The drag slash I've had for a while. My son gave it to me, and it's just been sitting. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a good build on it and put a drag bug body on it. So keep an eye out for that. We'll be probably building that slash up. Got a set of RD Air-Dong or Air-On shocks here. It's always good to have an extra pair of shocks laying around. Don't know what they'll fit, but take a look at them. Comes with some extra springs. Looks like it's, oh, they've already got oil in them. Maybe for the TTO2, something like that. They are 57mm, so yeah, I bet you they've got the TTO2. And another set of servos, guys. I think maybe this is the size that I was looking for. So again, probably didn't Realized I was ordering 4, but these are full-size servos, and I'll be needing them for my Tamiya builds that I've got here. I've got the next gen, and I've got the Super Astute coming up. So appear to be metal geared. We can get inside of them at a later time and check them out, but 3-wire seem to be a decent. They got some weight to them, so be perfect for the Tamiya builds. So now I've got 4. I always seem to be short when I'm building something and I'm robbing a servo from another car. So yep, got a little some extra parts here, guys. So anyhow, we'll get on to the big one that Wayne sent us, and I'll get these put up while I'm getting that ready. Alright guys, here is the box that Wayne sent me, and I don't know what's in it, but he has written on it that this is the top, but the box opens right here. So I'm going to follow the instructions and open it from the top. Hopefully there's nothing there that I can cut into. Alright, let's see what we got here. Got a really cool Jeep crawler body and chassis, it looks like. That is very cool. Everything's so little. Let's see, what else we got here? This is a battery. Receiver battery. This must be for this guy. And he sent me a Radio Link receiver. Guys, thank you, Wayne. I really do appreciate that. Hopefully I can get that Orlando going with that stuff. That is a tiny battery, guys. That dude is little. This stuff, I'm assuming, is parts for that guy. I'm not 100% sure. There's a servo here. Guys, look how tiny these servos are on these guys. That is a little bitty servo. And I happen to have, let's see, nope, even my micro servos are bigger than this guy. They are, however, the same width, just a little bit deeper. Very cool, very cool. Wheels and parts and some more servos, guys. More tiny screws. Oh, Wayne, my eyes aren't that good, bud. Alright, what we got here? Some cool stickers. Real. These must be for the body on this guy. That's cool. Very cool. Little note telling me what all it is so that I can, oh shoot. I wasn't expecting that. There's another one in here. What the heck? Wayne. Check this out, guys. Now that is awesome. Wow. Got some brass, got some weight. Very cool. Now I knew he was sending me a little truck, but I thought that was it. So that might be why he was tricking me with this is the top. And let's see. This must be the receiver for that guy. Yeah, got a receiver there. And here's the cool part. So, or another cool part. Guys, look at the paint on this guy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's color shifting Very cool. Have to figure out how to get the body off and get the battery charged on this dude, because that. So between that one, the Orlando, and my Ascent, we've got us a little collection of some micro stuff going on, guys. Nothing as cool as that. This thing is, when you pick up that compared to this is definitely a good build here. That is very cool. So this is the car that Wayne and I made a trade on for the Grom, and like I got the better end of that deal. But Wayne, if you love that Grom, I know a lot of people do. Just wasn't me. So what's left in the box, guys, I'm going to show you what it's for. If I got room on the bench here, we're going to set this dude over here. So there's the Vortec that I sank in the lake, and Wayne said, you need some paddles for that dude, and I said, yeah, you're right. So he printed me these, guys. Check these dudes out. Now that the lake's down even more, but look how cool these are going to look on this car, guys. Let me get a set of. Those are going to be epic. That is going to be crazy. They're purple, matches the car. So we got to take this dude apart still, because when I sunk it in the lake, I didn't clean it fast enough, and I got some seized bearings in it. Quick fix, I've got the parts to fix it, so we'll get this dude fixed, and we'll do some beach running with it with these paddles on it. Now he sent me some of these for the Mega 2-wheel drive Vortec that I'm giving to a buddy of mine's kid. So I took it for a test drive on that beach, guys, and these things work awesome. They throw a rooster tail up like crazy. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get that dude out. Wayne, I can't thank you enough, brother. This is a nice addition here, and the suspension feels awesome. Very cool. Anyway, guys, that's the end of my mail call. I've got some organizing to do still. I don't have a place to put everything yet. As you can see, my bench is getting full, but we're trying to get the walls done. Then I'm gonna get the shelves up, and I'll be able to get some of these cars up on the wall. I still got 2 Tamiyas to build. The next gen fighter and the Super Astute, so stay tuned for that. I know the mail calls sometimes get boring, but this is leading up to me being able to make some more content. Just hectic stuff happening in life right now with moving and things like that. You know, the wife is still in North Carolina. She's been there for 2 months almost. So we're getting that sorted out. And beginning of October, she'll be home, so that'll be great. And everything should settle in and go back to normal, guys. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. If you're subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not, guys, hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment. And y'all have an awesome night. Thanks for watching.